That is just apple cider vinegar. Wakes up the pork from a sleepy slumber. Ballin' and Ballin' girls making apple pies. Unlimited coffee. This is the ham mixture I made. It's a brown sugar, cherry powder, maple. Alright, smoker's rolling. We're about 300, but it'll drop down. Ham's been sitting for about an hour, seasoning. Now normally people would flip this and have it standing upright. I am going to do it this way, see if it can get more smoke. Alright, ham is going in. Alright, ham is in. As you can see, I have foil on the rack right below just to kind of block a little bit of the heat in the flames. Just because it won't fit on my top rack. I'm just using my low vertical smoker today. I didn't really feel like pulling out the offset, and the cinder block pit is currently flooded. So ham is in, and I'll give updates. I am currently breaking down some fresh cherry wood I got yesterday. Real good quality too. Absolutely great price. And it smokes fantastic. Alright, we'll do a little update. We're about an hour in. Smoke is rolling. I just put wood in, that's why it's as smoky as it is. Going. Just got some cherry in. Perfect. Alright, we're at about the hour and a half mark. Give it a check. Looking good. Give it a quick spray. And the spray bottle is just about half water, half cherry Pepsi. I know, crazy, right? We are almost there. It's getting there. There's my smoking buddy. Little Miss Anakin. You gonna talk to the camera? No? Alright, we're to the stage now that we're gonna glaze it. So I'm gonna pull it out, get my glaze. This is a Thai barbecue sauce mixed with honey, brown sugar, a little bit of tangy honey mustard. We're gonna do light coating. And then it can be used as our dipping sauce. Once I get it glazed, I think I'm gonna move it to the top rack and pull the tray out with foil.
Well, is it ballin' or is it fallin'?
Ballin'.